Okay, guys. So today we're gonna look at timer countdown. Like you're making a website and you're trying to make a countdown timer. For example, you say, okay, something is gonna start in about a week, so you want to set a countdown for your website. For that, we are gonna do that right now. But this is part of the series for making a full Web3 app for pre-sale, a DApp for pre-sale, right? So this is part of the series, but I just wanted to pick out this particular seg and make a video. First, we're gonna import some hooks here. Either use state, use effect, use callback from React, right? So these hooks will help us manage state and undo side effects within our components. So next we define a functional component called countdown timer here, should I say. So in this component, we set our target date to December 31st. Uh, and then the the current date, which is the new keyword, then date, and then the current year is current date. That get full year is it's kind of a function, right? This function calculates the time remaining between the current year and the end date. Okay, so it breaks this down into months, days, hours, minutes, and seconds. So we're using the use callback hook to optimize performance by memorizing the result, right? So to manage our timer state, we use the use state here hook, and we initialize the time remaining with the result of calculate time remaining. And then to make our timer update in real time, which is the basic functionality here, we use the use effect hook, and it sets up an interval that updates the time remaining, which is every second. This is 1 second. So we're also careful to clear this interval when the component is unmounted to prevent memory leaks. This is very important, right? So finally, we return it here, and the JSS code we render the timer. We check if each unit, which is the month, days, etc., is greater than 0 before displaying it. This is very important to make countdown more meaningful. Okay, so it isn't showing 0 month or 0 days. No, yeah, we need to make it more meaningful, right? So in summary, we've seen how React hooks like use state, use effect, and use callback can be used to create a dynamic countdown timer. This is a practical example of how React components can manage state and side effects to create interactive web applications. All right. So here you just export default countdown, so you can actually access it, in the main app.js and stuff like that. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description to my GitHub so you can actually get this code and implement your own app, and also a link to my channel on Telegram where you can actually ask questions, and if you need help and stuff like that, you can easily reach out to me through the channel or my email, stuff like that. So that's it for this video. Safe.